I should. I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good, I'm all good. Feeling like I should. I'm all good, I'm all good. Never knew I could. I'm all good, I'm good. I feel like
What is going on? You know, this is AlTone, and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. And I am so excited because I know it's been a minute since I put a video out, and it's not because I've disappeared. I haven't gone anywhere. I'm still working on putting out good content so that, you know, we can actually learn together and grow, and I can share with you how it is that I capture the best possible video so that I can share my thoughts, experiences, some ideas, as well as some really great experiences with family, friends, and with you. And one of the fantastic things that has taken place here recently is that I have gotten my Part 107 certification. And since I've gotten my Part 107 certification, that means that I'm going to now have the ability to share more drone content with you on this channel, and I'm looking forward to it. I actually have received a new drone, the YKRC 4K Pro drone that I was sent to give my honest review on, and I look forward to getting out and flying this sometime soon and sharing with you my thoughts on this particular product, and also getting back into some of the things that I've done and experiences and what I've learned while flying my DJI Mini 2. So I'm really looking forward to sharing quite a bit of that with you. And many of you know that I've also gotten into FPV, and so I do have a couple of other drones that I want to share with you as well. And all of this is for the purpose of taking advantage of different technology to be able to capture those experiences and those thoughts and video in the best way possible. Like I said, just be on the lookout. I plan on putting out some very good content in the near future. Thank you again so much, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos very soon.